At sunrise, the sugarcane fields awaken, marking the beginning of the long journey from raw plant to refined sugar. Each cane stalk holds stored sucrose, developed slowly through months of growth. Traditional cutting methods remain vital, removing mature stalks at peak sweetness. Freshly cut cane is moved quickly. Sucrose begins degrading within hours. At the refinery, tons of cane arrive for immediate processing. Mechanical grabbers unload the raw material and prepare it for the first stage. Cane is stockpiled only briefly. Speed is essential to preserve sugar quality. Conveyors transport the stalks deep into the processing line.
The first step: remove soil, dust, and debris through high-volume washing.
Heavy particles settle before the cane moves to the shredding stage. Powerful shredders break the cane, increasing the surface area for extraction. Steel rollers press the cane repeatedly, releasing raw plant juice. The extracted juice contains water, sucrose, plant fibers, and impurities. Clarification removes impurities by allowing solids to separate naturally.
Lime neutralizes acidity, helping suspended solids to coagulate.
Evaporators remove most of the water, concentrating the juice into syrup. In vacuum pans, sucrose crystallizes under controlled temperature and pressure. Centrifuges spin out the remaining molasses, separating raw sugar. The result is raw brown sugar, still containing traces of molasses. Affination removes surface films, preparing the sugar for purification. The sugar is melted and filtered again to achieve clarity.
Carbonation introduces COC, forming compounds that bind to impurities.
As the gas reacts, unwanted materials separate from the pure sucrose. The purified syrup is crystallized once more, this time producing pure white sugar.
Rotary dryers remove moisture and refine the crystal texture.
The sugar cools as it moves along conveyors, stabilizing the final product. Final sieving ensures uniform crystal size and food-grade purity. Technicians verify purity, grain size, and color before packaging.
Automated fillers portion the sugar precisely into sealed packages. High-speed systems ensure efficiency and consistency across every batch.
Robotic palletizers prepare the final product for distribution. After a complex series of transformations, the raw cane becomes pure, food-grade white sugar. A simple ingredient crafted through intricate industrial precision.